Excited because Taste of Love is coming up. This fabulous festival, Marion's Festival, 28th September.
The 9th version of, you're looking forward to a weekend of absolute fun, expansion, connection, friends, dance, cuddles, and so much more.
And this is a festival that you've created. It's your mastermind, and I get the great delight of being the host again for the second year.
Yeah, somebody has the idea and somebody is the execution of the idea, and we definitely feel we landed gold here.
We're a good team, I think. It's an extraordinary experience. So much expansion and inspiration and love and unity, healing.
It's all about embodiment. Couples and singles, any gender orientation. The Taste of Love Tantra Festival focuses on unifying yourself, understanding the connectedness of yourself within life, within your community, within the universe. And we also talk about and explore topics around love, sexuality, relationships, and the tantric aspects of sensuality.
It's an all-inclusive space. We'd love all of you guys to come, and we'll welcome you in. It's a soul family, and you're not going to regret it. So get your ticket because they are limited.
And we did sell out last year.
They get snapped up quick, smart. So go get your ticket. Taste of Love. We can't wait to have you
3
there.
full days, 4 nights, a live-in festival, amazing food, amazing performances, artists, and over 35 workshops and 3 evening programs.
Woo!
Woohoo!
We'll see you there.
See you there. tasteoflove.com.au